Hello everyone, this is Michael from Shenzhen Master Tools. Today we want to introduce our digital climb meter, CM83C. Check AC voltage and control frequency at the same time. 10,000 counts AC climb meter, also with true RMS. Check whether there is voltage. Check resistance. Press Inrush button. Switch on micro oven. K-type thermocouple to test boiling water. Flashlight for dark arrow.
Mazda customized service. Custom logo. Custom button color. Custom PVC protector. Custom logo. Custom button color. Custom PVC protector.